everyone, and welcome back to the Deco Diva channel. If you're new here, I'm Cora, and I specialize in helping you transform your space into a cozy, beautiful haven. Easter is right around the corner, and today, we're diving into a gorgeous theme that combines the charm of the English countryside with the warmth of spring: Rustic English Country Easter decorations for every room in your home. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any home decor inspiration, and hit the like button if you're excited for some Easter ideas. Plus, if you have any favorite spring traditions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you celebrate this time of year. Let's start in the living room, where we can create a welcoming atmosphere with rustic elegance. For a true English country feel, opt for a soft pastel palette in your throw pillows and blankets. Shades of light pink, soft lavender, and pastel yellow are perfect for the season. Mix and match floral patterns with simple linen fabrics to keep it feeling fresh and timeless. To bring in that country charm, place a rustic wooden tray on your coffee table and fill it with small Easter-themed items. Think vintage bunny figurines, ceramic egg holders, or a small pot of fresh spring flowers like daffodils. These little touches will elevate your space and add a sense of seasonal warmth. A mantel is the perfect place to showcase rustic Easter decorations. Begin with a neutral, earthy garland made from dried flowers, ivy, or twigs. Layering in subtle pops of pastel-colored eggs or small rustic baskets adds charm without overwhelming the space. These elements bring a cozy, countryside feel while keeping it elegant. Don't forget a beautiful clock or a vintage mirror to anchor your mantelpiece. These items give the space a more timeless appeal. You can also place a few handmade candles in soft pastel shades to bring in that soft, inviting glow. A few sprigs of rosemary or lavender tucked in vases also help to bring the outdoors inside. In the dining room, we can create a stunning Easter centerpiece with a rustic touch. Start with a wooden or wicker table runner, then place a large, rustic bowl in the center filled with hand-painted Easter eggs. You could also fill it with a mixture of dried flowers, like lavender and daisies, which add texture and an earthy tone. For your place settings, use vintage mismatched plates, a nod to classic country homes. Pair them with soft, linen napkins tied with simple twine for an extra touch of rustic charm. A small vase of fresh spring flowers, like tulips or lilacs, on each plate will finish off the look beautifully. In the kitchen, Easter decorations can add warmth and coziness to the space. Think about hanging a rustic wreath on the door made from twigs and dried flowers. It's simple yet effective. You can also place a few vintage-style jars filled with candy eggs or dried herbs on your countertops. For a playful touch, incorporate Easter-themed tea towels or a gingham print apron to really highlight the season. Wooden spoons, ceramic mugs, and a vintage cutting board with a sprig of fresh rosemary will bring that countryside feeling to life, creating a space that feels both homely and festive. Next up is the bedroom, a room often forgotten in terms of Easter decorations. But with a few rustic touches, it can be transformed into a tranquil spring retreat. Begin by swapping out your usual bedding for a duvet cover in a soft floral print or a pastel shade. Add a few decorative cushions with charming bunny or egg motifs to make the room feel seasonal. Place a rustic, wooden bed tray on top with a small potted plant and some Easter-themed candles to set the tone. You can also hang a floral garland across the bedpost or on the wall to bring the beauty of the English countryside into your space. The goal is to keep it calm, cozy, and inviting. Your entryway is the first space guests will see, so make sure it's as charming as possible. A rustic Easter wreath made from twigs, dried flowers, and pastel eggs can hang on the front door to create a welcoming atmosphere. A simple wooden console table with a vase of fresh wildflowers will add an extra touch of spring to the space. A decorative wooden basket filled with faux Easter eggs or a small ceramic bunny can sit on the console table, adding a bit of whimsy. Layer in a soft rug with a country checkered pattern or a subtle floral print to enhance the cozy, rustic feel of the entryway. The bathroom might not be your first thought for Easter decorations, but with a few small touches, it can feel just as festive as the rest of your home. Add a floral or gingham patterned hand towel to the sink, and place a few mason jars filled with pastel-colored eggs or small wildflowers on the counter. These little accents will brighten the space and give it a springtime feel. For an even more rustic touch, hang a small wooden sign with an Easter greeting, or use a vintage ceramic soap dish to elevate your decor. Adding some greenery, like small potted plants or a sprig of rosemary, will bring that country charm to life, even in the bathroom. Create a cozy reading nook with the charm of the English countryside by introducing soft textures and seasonal decor. Add a few pastel-colored cushions or a floral throw blanket to your armchair, and place a small rustic side table next to it with a vintage-style lamp. A vase of fresh spring blooms will bring an extra dose of cheer to the space. You could also place a wicker basket with Easter-themed books or old country novels to give the nook a lived-in, rustic vibe. The goal here is to make it feel like a peaceful retreat where you can enjoy a cup of tea and relax in the warmth of the season. Now, let's bring that rustic Easter charm outdoors with a few simple yet beautiful touches for your porch. A wicker basket filled with fresh flowers or Easter eggs can sit beside the door, welcoming guests. Hang a simple garland of dried flowers and greenery across your porch railing to add a touch of elegance to the outdoor space. A vintage rocking chair or wooden bench, adorned with a pastel-colored throw pillow, will give your porch a welcoming and cozy feel. If you have space, a small table with a jar of springtime blooms will complete the look, making your porch feel like an inviting haven for spring. Your windowsill is another perfect spot to showcase rustic Easter touches. Place a collection of small, antique-style bunny figurines or ceramic eggs along the sill for a simple yet effective display. You can also hang a lace curtain or a light floral patterned valance to give the window an airy, country cottage feel. For a unique touch, add some tiny glass jars filled with sprigs of lavender or daffodils on the windowsill. The natural light streaming through the window will highlight these rustic accents beautifully, making your home feel warm and full of life. A classic Easter tradition that also fits perfectly with a rustic country aesthetic is the Easter basket centerpiece. Choose a woven basket and fill it with a mix of colorful eggs, twigs, and wildflowers. Add a few sprigs of greenery like rosemary or ivy for an earthy, natural look. Place this centerpiece on a dining table, side table, or entryway console to add a festive touch. For an extra country feel, you could even use the basket as a vase and add fresh blooms like tulips or lilacs, tying in both the holiday spirit and the rustic theme. In the family room, incorporate rustic Easter decorations into your shelving and bookcases. Place a few Easter-themed books, old postcards, or vintage pottery pieces with small ceramic rabbits scattered throughout. These small touches will bring in that countryside charm without being too overpowering. You can also display a set of antique lanterns or candle holders on a shelf, filled with pastel-colored candles for a soft, welcoming glow. The rustic elements on your shelves will not only look lovely but also create a warm, homely atmosphere for your family to enjoy. I hope you found some inspiration for incorporating rustic English country Easter decorations into every room of your home. Whether it's the living room, dining area, or even your porch, these simple, charming touches will bring the warmth of the season into your home. Remember to subscribe to the Deco Diva channel for more home decor tips and ideas, and if you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below with your favorite rustic Easter decor idea. I love hearing from you. Have a beautiful and cozy Easter season, and I'll see you in the next video.